Hi, my name is Miss C. If you're looking for math centers for the beginning of the year, I have the perfect solution for you. Alrighty, so these are the centers that I have set up for the beginning of the school year. The first thing that we typically touch is even and odd. So you'll see all of the centers here that I created are all even and odd. That also includes addition, such as this center. They will add this side and then this side, and then they will decide whether that came out to even odd. They also have task cards in the middle. My centers are going to change every 2 or 3 weeks. I switch out one, I add another. Each center is typically a different math subject, whether it's measurement, addition, subtraction. It usually is based off of the standard that we're currently working on. And some of it is to focus on old standards that we have. But if you notice here, each center has directions, and it even shows them how to use the cards to go with the center. Sometimes I include the directions and objectives just for me if I'm walking around, or for admin to see exactly what they're doing. Manipulatives, these are purchased at the dollar store. You get a whole bag for $1. I purchased different colorful ones. It doesn't always have to be the counters that the schools are using. So you can be creative with it. If a kid needs me for any reason, I supply them with this and a dry erase marker. So they can just simply raise their hand and then I will come to them. So let me demonstrate a center. This is the even or odd center. So say a child picks a card number 5, and then they pick a card number 1. 5 and 1 is 6. So they would look here. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is even, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is odd. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So that would be under an even number. This is the even or odd object grab. So what they would do is they would say they chose the card 10. They'd place the card where it says place the card here. They would do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after they lined up their pieces, they're going to decide if it is even or odd. So if you notice, all of these pieces that I grabbed are lined up, so they each have a buddy, which makes 10 an even number. This center here is basically like even number and odd number sort, but I make them like into a competition. I make it into a race. So what I would do is they would each start picking up cards that are even, and they would race to put that card on their mat to beat the next person who is also putting it on their mat.